Welcome to our English Learning channel. Here at English Clouds channel, we are dedicated to helping you master the English language one lesson at a time. Keep a notebook with you wherever you go and jot down any words, grammar rules, or expression that come to mind. In today's lesson, we'll see vocabulary of shoes and accessories. Oxfords, loafers, hiking boots, tennis shoes, high heels, flats, boots, suspenders, purse, handbag, belt, wallet, change purse, coin purse, watch, shoulder bag, backpack, tote bag, bracelet, necklace, hat, scarf, chain, beads, locket, clip-on earrings, pen, string of pearls, heel, sole, towel, shoelace, belt buckle. And now let's take a test. Look at the picture and guess the item. Loafers, flats, purse, handbag, tote bag, necklace, beads, string of pearls, belt buckle. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and drop a thumbs up as well as a comment. See you in the next video.